4.5, the API 653 provide an overview about the general overview about this foundation evaluation. It's not very detailed information about the such causes and deterioration about that, but it has such an overview and said that some of causes of foundation deterioration can be included, such settlement, erosion, cracking of concrete, for example, such deterioration about the concrete, and can make a different type of settlement of storage tanks in the foundation. This photo is not from API 653, it's from other reference, but you can see the different type of settlement of storage tanks may occur during the storage tank operation. But in section, in appendix B of this standard, provide criteria for assessment of the bulking in the bottom of the storage tanks. It says that if the size of bulking is less than 0.37 times R, which is the radius of the storage tanks as feet, this bulking can remain without any repair, unless you shall provide a repair or further refinement on that. Some of mechanism of concrete deterioration can briefly described as caulking. Can occur when the concrete has been exposed to sufficiently high temperature or period of time during intermediate cooling periods to concrete can absorb moisture, swell, lose in strength and crack. As an inspector, when you provide external inspection of the storage tanks, usually your start position is the consideration about the foundation, the concrete foundation of the storage tanks. It's very common that you see some cracks in the upper surface of concrete in your storage tanks. But as I said the last day about the foundation and annular plate, one of the most important deterioration which happened in the external side of the bottom of the storage tanks is due to the penetration of humidity from the environment to the under of the beneath of annular plate, and after that it's propagate to the bottom of the storage tanks and your storage tanks. In some cases, injury from the external corrosion. In some cases, your internal bottom of the storage tanks is very good, but the external side is corroded because of this penetration. And deterioration of concrete in B, deterioration of concrete exposed to underground water can be caused by chemical attack, by cyclic change in temperature, and also by freezing the moisture among the crack of the concrete. Expansion of freezing moisture in porous concrete or in concrete with the minor settlement crack or temperature crack can result in the spalling and development of serious structure. In most companies, the evaluation of foundation was found by the civil engineer. But as an inspector, you shall provide a general recommendation about this situation. Also, I think in your company that's the policy that the civil engineering and the engineering department do this evaluation.